wanted to play League of Legends on my old 2011 iMac. I installed Windows 11 onto my iMac and I'm getting this TPM 2.0 error. So I Googled it and I came to this where it says that if you're running Windows 11, you can't play the game League of Legends without having TPM 2.0. So what are my options? Three things I can do, which I've been told, is I can go back to Windows 10. That's option number one. Option number two is to use VMware or, VirtualBox, some type of virtual machine software, and run, again, Windows 10 on my machine, but that'd be even slower, so that's not useful. The last thing is if you have a gaming computer or access to a cloud gaming computer, you can remote into a gaming computer and play it that way, which is probably the best option for me out of the three. So I don't know. I really want to play League of Legends just to see how it'd run. And I really don't feel like reinstalling Windows 10, so we'll see. I'll probably end up installing it onto this MacBook Pro 2013. I already have Windows 10 installed, so it's just a matter of me, installing the game onto this old machine. Although I really wanted to try out the game on an iMac from 2011. Oh well.